to the Eugene Torta YouTube channel. I want to thank everyone that's subscribed so far, and if you haven't subscribed, please go down there, hit the subscription button, or that little red thing in the corner there, or whatever. But hit that, the notification bell, the thumbs up, leave comments, and share. That'll all help my channel grow, and maybe one day I'll get monetized, and it'll help pay for all the little stupid projects that I do. But I had a couple of failures on the C4. First one I'm going to go over is this air oil separator. Let me see if I can get a better shot of that. This air oil separator. And I don't know if you can see it in this video or not, but there's a crack starting to form and it's leaking oil. So I removed that for now, and I haven't decided if I'm going to fab one up out of some stainless steel pipe, or I could even machine some billet aluminum that I have. I haven't decided what I'm going to do yet. I could go out and spend a lot of money on one of the better brand name ones like Maruso. You're talking like 150 bucks. I'm not sure I want to do that. Jag sells one that might be better. I don't know. It still has a plastic housing like this, and I think anything with a plastic housing under there with all the heat is going to end up causing problems. So I'll probably just skip that, and I'll probably fab up a air oil separator somehow. I got everything to do it. It's just a matter of me getting to do it. Another problem I had is I went to a car show yesterday, and while cruising down the highway, I noticed I was running real lean, and so I did some data logging, and not only was it running lean, but then at lower speeds it would run real rich, and the O2, the narrow band O2 sensor isn't working the way it should be, so I got to diagnose that. I'll probably go more into that in another video, but I actually think the problem might be the memcal that I was using. I had a bad memcal, or memory chip. Like I said, I'll diagnose it, and then I'll try and make a video on what I came up with. But for now, that's my update. Hopefully I'll be get this thing running back right, and I'll update everybody. Short video. Hope you enjoyed. Like I said, go down there, subscribe, like, share, all that good stuff. And I hope everybody has a better day than I'm having. Have a very good day, and God bless. Thanks for watching.